10 Stoic reasons to simplify your life and declutter. Imagine waking up one morning and feeling completely overwhelmed by the sheer amount of tasks and obligations awaiting you. This scenario is all too common in today's fast-paced world, where over 70% of people report feeling stressed and anxious daily. The pressures of modern life, work deadlines, social obligations, financial worries, create a relentless cycle of stress that seems never-ending. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle? What if adopting a simpler lifestyle could offer a profound sense of peace and fulfillment? Simple living, inspired by Stoic principles, is not just about reducing clutter, but about cultivating a mindset that prioritizes what truly matters. In this video, we'll explore 10 transformative benefits of simple living, each offering a path to a more serene and intentional life. By the end, you'll understand why so many people are embracing this lifestyle and how you can start your own journey towards a simpler, more fulfilling existence. Simple living is a concept that transcends mere minimalism. It is a holistic lifestyle choice that emphasizes the importance of living intentionally and prioritizing well-being over materialism. At its core, simple living is about making conscious decisions to focus on what genuinely adds value to your life. Whether that be nurturing relationships, pursuing passions, or simply finding joy in the little things. In a society that often equates success with having more possessions, more achievements, more social status, simple living offers a refreshing alternative. It challenges the notion that happiness is found in accumulation and instead suggests that true contentment comes from a clear, uncluttered mind and a life free from unnecessary distractions. This approach is deeply aligned with Stoic philosophy, which advocates for focusing on what is within our control and letting go of external pressures. By embracing simple living, you not only simplify your physical surroundings, but also cultivate a mindset that is more centered, grounded, and resilient. Today, we'll delve into 10 profound benefits of this lifestyle and explore how adopting a simpler way of life can lead to greater happiness, health, and fulfillment. In our modern, fast-paced world, we are constantly bombarded with information, choices, and societal expectations. This overload can lead to a cluttered life, both physically and mentally. Our homes often become filled with unnecessary items, our schedules packed with endless activities, and our minds overwhelmed with stress and anxiety. This constant state of busyness and consumption not only drains our energy, but also leaves us feeling unfulfilled and disconnected from what truly matters. Financial pressures mount as we chase after the latest gadgets, fashion trends, and lifestyle upgrades, often leading to debt and financial strain. The digital age, while offering numerous conveniences, has also led to increased screen time, reduced attention spans, and a pervasive sense of dissatisfaction as we constantly compare ourselves to others online. Relationships suffer as we find ourselves too busy or distracted to connect meaningfully with those around us. The Stoics warned against the pursuit of external goods and pleasures at the expense of inner peace and virtue. The clutter and chaos of modern life are symptomatic of a deeper issue, a lack of clarity and purpose. However, by embracing simple living and the Stoic mindset of focusing on what is truly important, we can begin to address these challenges and create a life that is more balanced, intentional, and fulfilling. One of the most significant benefits of embracing simple living is the reduction in stress and anxiety. In a world that constantly demands more productivity, more consumption, more engagement, it's easy to become overwhelmed and burn out. By adopting a simpler lifestyle, you can eliminate many of the stressors that contribute to this sense of overwhelm. This process involves more than just decluttering your physical space. It's about creating mental and emotional space as well. By simplifying your commitments and learning to say no to non-essential activities, you can free up time and energy for the things that truly matter. This newfound focus can lead to a profound sense of peace and well-being, as you are no longer pulled in a million different directions. The Stoic philosophy, with its emphasis on inner tranquility and resilience, aligns perfectly with this approach. By focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you cannot, You cultivate a calm and composed mindset that is less susceptible to the stresses and pressures of modern life. This reduction in stress not only improves your mental health, but also has positive effects on your physical health, as chronic stress is linked to numerous health issues. Simple living, therefore, offers a holistic approach to well-being, promoting peace and balance in all areas of life. Another profound benefit of simple living is the enhancement of mental clarity. In our digital age, we are bombarded with an overwhelming amount of information and choices, leading to what can only be described as mental clutter. This mental overload can make it challenging to focus, make decisions, and maintain a sense of direction in life. By consciously reducing the stimuli that enter your life, whether it's through digital detoxes, setting boundaries, or decluttering your living space, you can cultivate a clearer and more focused mind. This clarity not only improves your ability to concentrate, but also enhances your decision-making skills. You become more attuned to your values and goals, enabling you to make choices that align with your true self. In a world where distractions are plentiful, this mental clarity becomes a superpower, allowing you to live a life that's not only more intentional, but also more fulfilling. The Stoic practice of mindfulness and focusing on the present moment aligns closely with this benefit, as it helps you to clear your mind of unnecessary worries and distractions. By cultivating a state of mental clarity, you can approach life with greater confidence and purpose, making the most of every opportunity that comes your way. Simple living also grants you more time for what truly matters. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to become consumed by endless to-do lists and social obligations, leaving little time for personal pursuits or meaningful interactions. By simplifying your commitments and prioritizing your time, you can free up space in your schedule to engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. This could mean spending more quality time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies that enrich your soul, or simply enjoying moments of solitude and reflection. The Stoic practice of intentional living aligns perfectly with this, encouraging us to focus on our inner lives and what we can control. When you have more time, you can deepen your relationships, explore new interests, and invest in self-care. It's about creating a balanced life where you're not constantly rushing from one obligation to the next, but are instead savoring each moment and experience. By living more simply, you can slow down and appreciate the beauty and richness of life, finding joy in the present moment rather than constantly chasing future goals or possessions. This shift in perspective can lead to a more fulfilling and contented life, where you feel more connected to yourself and the world around you. Decision fatigue is a common struggle in today's world, where we are constantly faced with an overwhelming number of choices. This fatigue can lead to stress, indecision, and a general sense of exhaustion. By embracing simple living, you can significantly reduce the number of decisions you need to make daily, thereby conserving your mental energy. This concept is closely tied to the Stoic practice of focusing on what's essential and disregarding the superfluous. For instance, by curating a minimalist wardrobe, you streamline your morning routine, freeing up mental space for more important decisions. Similarly, by decluttering your commitments and prioritizing tasks, you can allocate your time and energy more effectively. This approach not only enhances your productivity, but also reduces the mental strain associated with constant decision-making. By living simply and focusing on what truly matters, you can navigate life with greater ease and clarity, making decisions that are aligned with your values and goals. This reduction in decision fatigue also frees up mental space for creativity and problem-solving, allowing you to approach challenges with a fresh and open mind. A decluttered and organized living space is one of the most tangible benefits of simple living. When your environment is free from unnecessary items and distractions, it becomes a sanctuary where you can relax and recharge. This aligns with the Stoic philosophy of creating an external environment that reflects and supports your internal peace. A clutter-free home not only enhances your physical space, but also has a positive impact on your mental well-being. It reduces the time and effort needed for cleaning and maintenance, allowing you to focus on activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Moreover, an organized space can foster creativity and productivity, as it provides a calm and conducive environment for work and leisure. By decluttering your home, you create a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, contributing to a more balanced and harmonious life. This physical simplicity also encourages a similar approach in other areas of life, promoting overall well-being and peace. In essence, a decluttered home is a reflection of a decluttered mind, offering a clear and peaceful space to live and thrive. Financial freedom is another significant benefit of adopting a simple lifestyle. By prioritizing needs over wants and focusing on what truly adds value to your life, you can significantly reduce unnecessary spending. This financial prudence aligns with the Stoic principle of self-control and moderation, where the focus is on living within one's means and finding contentment in simplicity. Simple living encourages you to assess your expenses critically, distinguishing between essential and non-essential spending. This approach not only helps in saving money, but also reduces financial stress and anxiety. With fewer financial obligations, you can enjoy greater flexibility and security, allowing you to make choices that align with your long-term goals and values. Whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or investing in experiences rather than possessions, the financial benefits of simple living are profound. By focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the rest, you can achieve a greater sense of financial stability and freedom, empowering you to live a life that's not bound by material constraints. Simple living also enhances your focus and productivity. In a world filled with constant distractions and information overload, maintaining concentration can be challenging. However, by simplifying your environment and reducing external stimuli, you can create a more focused and productive mindset. This aligns with Stoic teachings on the importance of mental discipline and focus. By decluttering both your physical space and your mind, you can eliminate distractions and prioritize tasks that are truly important. This focused approach allows you to work more efficiently, accomplish your goals, and enjoy a greater sense of achievement. Additionally, by setting clear priorities and boundaries, you can prevent burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. The clarity that comes with simple living enables you to identify what matters most and devote your time and energy accordingly. Whether it's in your professional or personal life, this enhanced focus and productivity can lead to greater success and fulfillment, helping you to achieve your goals and live a more intentional and meaningful life. Living a healthier lifestyle is another profound benefit of embracing simplicity. When you prioritize your well-being over material pursuits, you create more time and space to focus on your physical and mental health. Simple living encourages mindful eating, regular exercise, and sufficient rest, all of which are crucial for maintaining overall well-being. This approach aligns with the Stoic practice of caring for the body as a vessel for the soul, emphasizing the importance of health and vitality. By eliminating unnecessary stressors and distractions, you can make healthier choices that support your long-term well-being. For instance, cooking simple, nutritious meals at home instead of relying on fast food can improve your diet and overall health. Additionally, by reducing the busyness of your schedule, you can incorporate more physical activity into your daily routine, whether it's walking, yoga, or any other form of exercise. This holistic approach to health fosters a deeper connection with your body and mind, allowing you to live a more balanced and vibrant life. One of the most rewarding aspects of simple living is the opportunity to deepen and strengthen your relationships. By eliminating unnecessary distractions and obligations, you can devote more time and energy to the people who matter most to you. This is in line with the Stoic belief in the importance of meaningful connections and community. Simple living encourages you to prioritize authentic relationships over superficial engagements, allowing you to be more present and attentive with your loved ones. Whether it's spending quality time with family, nurturing close friendships, or building new connections, these interactions become more meaningful and fulfilling. This focus on relationships helps build a strong support network, providing emotional and social stability in your life. It also fosters a sense of belonging and purpose as you invest in the well-being of those around you. By choosing to live simply, you create a life rich in love, connection, and shared experiences, making each moment spent with others more valuable. Finally, Embracing simple living fosters a deep sense of gratitude and contentment. When you strip away the excess and focus on the essentials, you begin to appreciate the simple pleasures in life. This could be as basic as a morning coffee ritual, a walk in the park, or a quiet evening at home. By minimizing distractions and unnecessary desires, you cultivate a greater appreciation for what you have, rather than constantly striving for more. This mindset shift can lead to a more fulfilling and contented life, where you find joy in the present moment and in the things that truly matter. The practice of gratitude is closely linked to overall well-being and happiness, as it helps you focus on the positives in your life rather than dwelling on what's lacking. Simple living encourages you to slow down, savor the moment, and cultivate a deep sense of appreciation for the world around you. Embracing simple living can lead to a profound transformation in your life. This lifestyle shift not only reduces stress and clutter, but also brings about a deep sense of peace and fulfillment. By focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the excess, you create space for joy, creativity, and personal growth. The benefits of simple living are not just theoretical. They're tangible and can be felt in every aspect of your life, from your mental and physical health to your relationships and financial well-being. It's about finding balance and harmony in a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming. Simple living is not about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices that align with your values and bring you closer to your true self. It's about living a life that's rich in experiences, connections, and meaning. In conclusion, the journey towards simple living is a deeply personal and rewarding one. It's about more than just decluttering your home or reducing your possessions. It's about creating a life that's aligned with your values and priorities. Simple living invites you to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the beauty in the everyday moments. It encourages you to be intentional with your time, energy, and resources, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Whether you're just beginning this journey or are well along the path, remember that it's not about perfection but progress. Each small step you take towards decluttering your life, be it your physical space, schedule, or mind, brings you closer to a more peaceful and fulfilling existence. Embrace the principles of simple living, and you'll find that life becomes not only more manageable but also more enjoyable. If you found these insights helpful, please share your own experiences with simple living in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on intentional and meaningful living. Let's build a community that supports each other in the journey towards a simpler, more fulfilling life.